megahertz, with a power output of 1,000 watts, originating from the National Weather Service in Moon Township, Pennsylvania. The current time is 10:59 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10 a.m. at Zanesville, it was mostly sunny. Temperature 33, dew point 23, relative humidity 66%. Wind south at 15 miles an hour. Pressure 30.21 inches and rising. Weather conditions across Ohio: Columbus partly sunny 33 degrees, Akron partly sunny 34, winds gusting to 23, New Philadelphia mostly sunny 34, Cambridge fair 37, Youngstown partly sunny 31, Lancaster mostly sunny 31, Cleveland partly sunny 35, winds gusting. In High Hill, Ohio, on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these